Hey, I just want to tell you again, today is the day that I'm launching my new book, The Disc Repair Blueprint. It's in Amazon store in a Kindle and a paperback form. Very exciting. Check it out. Go buy it. It'll be amazing. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on it. I wanted to just go through and let you know, chapter wise, kind of what we're looking at. So at the beginning, I tell my why. And I've given other videos on that. I tell my why of why I wrote the book. I go through an anatomy, really basic anatomy, an anatomy of the spine, the anatomy of those discs, how discs can be injured. Then I start just doing a basic understanding of what non-surgical spinal decompression is, what exactly that looks like. And then we talk about a little history of what that is and how chiropractic care fits into that. And then we talk about just common disc injuries. So there's a chapter just on understanding the difference between a herniation and a bulge and a degenerated disc and what those things do and how they affect your body and your lifestyle. And then we talk about the actual unit that I have, which is a Triton Chattanooga spinal decompression table with a computer that has different algorithms that are specific to applying a traction force either in the neck or in the lower back, very specifically to help alleviate the pressure and to help plump or rehydrate those discs. And then I go through some of the nutrition that I really find is helpful in that. And then, of course, I got to talk a little bit about the mental health and the emotional component of healing, which is something that we always, as practitioners and as patients, we forget how important that is. And then I go through some exercises, basic exercises on what is recommended. Go through some case studies, tell you some good stories of people that responded. And then I always want to make sure that I really focus on, keeping people away from surgery as much as we can. You always can do surgery, but sometimes, unfortunately, too frequently those surgeries fail. It's called failed back surgery. Or they lead to then opiate use and opiate addiction. And so we want to really stop that as well. And then I end this with a chapter on the research. This is something that's been around for a long time. It's cutting edge, and it has a lot of evidence-based support behind it. And so I hope that you get the book, Disc Repair Blueprint. It's me. And I hope you read it or give it to somebody that needs it. And if you can always come into my office, we can check you out, or I can find you somebody where you live that could help you. Curis Functional Health has clinics all over the country. If you're in an area that doesn't have that, then let me know and we'll find somebody. Anyway, thanks for listening.